Yields on Spanish and Italian bonds fall sharply after Germany's Der Spiegel magazine says the ECB could set a threshold on yields and spreads for bond purchases. Not much in the way of data tomorrow, so investors will maintain their focus on the latest twists and turns in Eurozone policy. The Troika continues its assessment of Greece as debate over its Eurozone membership continues to rage. Greece's foreign minister says an €11.7 billion reform package will be presented in the coming weeks, which will meet conditions for receiving official aid. Greek Prime Minister Antonis Samaras meets Eurogroup head Jean-Claude Juncker, French President François Hollande, and German Chancellor Angela Merkel later this week, as shuttle diplomacy picks up pace ahead of a crunch September. The ECB pours cold water on that Der Spiegel report, saying it's misleading to talk about decisions not yet taken. But Jukka Jelinek, head of European rate strategy at Crédit Agricole, says recent comments by German Chancellor Merkel suggest a more open-ended commitment from the ECB could be palatable.
If it was a done deal, you'd see the market tighten in much more than it has. You'd see moves in the hundreds of basis points rather than tens of basis points. So what the market is doing now, it seems to me, is saying there's a possibility of this. It's maybe not even a great possibility, but it's not trivial.
One bit of data due on Tuesday is UK public sector net borrowing for July. That comes ahead of Friday's second release of Q2 GDP. This should get a boost from upward revisions to construction and production output. Earnings due tomorrow include interim results from Glencore. Net income at the commodities trader forecast to fall by more than a third. That is likely to dash hopes of a sweetened bid for Xstrata. Qatar Holding, Xstrata's second largest shareholder, has urged Glencore to raise the share swap ratio above 2.8. And more clues on the state of the British housing market, with earnings from the country's largest home builder, Persimmon. It's expected to report a 30% rise in pre-tax profit. Coming up on Insider, we'll speak to the head of the World Trade Organization, Pascal Lamy, live from Geneva, 1300 BST. We'll get his views on Russia, formally joining the group after almost 2 decades of negotiation. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.